Welcome to Car Cloud. Today, we're not just looking at another fighter jet. We're looking at one of the most capable light combat aircraft in modern military aviation. Meet the FA-50. A fighter aircraft designed to combine advanced avionics, combat versatility, and high-performance capabilities into a platform built for the demands of modern air operations. From the very first glance, the FA-50 looks purposeful. Its sleek profile, aerodynamic design, and aggressive stance immediately reflect its role as a fast, agile, and highly adaptable combat aircraft. And of course, there's the feature everyone talks about. Its multirole capability. Designed to perform air-to-air, air-to-ground, and advanced training missions, the FA-50 offers operational flexibility that few aircraft in its class can match. At its core is a sophisticated suite of avionics and mission systems that enhance situational awareness and improve combat effectiveness. Advanced sensors, precision-guided weapon integration, and modern targeting capabilities allow pilots to respond rapidly to changing battlefield conditions. But technology alone isn't enough. Powered by a high-performance turbofan engine, the FA-50 delivers impressive acceleration, excellent maneuverability, and reliable supersonic performance. Whether conducting interception missions, close air support operations, or tactical strike missions, the aircraft performs with remarkable precision and confidence. Inside, the cockpit is fully digital. Modern multifunction displays, advanced flight controls, and an intuitive pilot interface provide critical information in a clear and efficient manner. Everything feels modern. Everything feels mission-ready. When it comes to survivability, the FA-50 incorporates advanced defensive systems, radar warning receivers, and electronic countermeasures designed to enhance pilot awareness and operational effectiveness in challenging environments. And that's what makes the FA-50's